Hello everyone and welcome back to the new video of this channel. In today's world, AI is making our life incredibly easy, from generating reports in few clicks to automating complex tasks. But what if I told you there are powerful, often overlooked features in Excel that can make your reporting even easier and quicker? So don't go anywhere, stay tuned because in this video we are going to look into one of those features. In this video, we will be looking into one of the Excel feature called VStack. Let's take a scenario wherein we have student details studying in different cities. So here we have students studying in Bangalore location. Similarly, we have data of students studying in Delhi location, and we have students studying in Pune location. But as you can see, all these details are in different tabs. I want to club all the details into a single tab wherein I have all the details in one particular sheet, and that information should also be dynamic, meaning that if any of the value changes in any of the tab, that should also reflect here. So how we can do that? In this video, we will be showing that. So let's begin with the video. Here we will use the feature called VStack, open bracket. For array 1, we will go to the first tab and select first value in this table. Then press Ctrl Shift right arrow, then Ctrl Shift down arrow. So this basically will select all the values that we have in this tab. Press comma, go to the second tab, press the first value in this table, Control Shift right arrow, then Control Shift down arrow. This will select all the values in the second tab, comma, and similarly go to the third table and do the same. So once you have selected all the values in the different tab, close the bracket and press enter. So here you can see all the data has been updated here, and you can see all the student details of different location in one single tab. One thing to note here is these details are dynamic. So here you can see the first name is John Davis and he has scored 90 marks in maths. So let's say if we change the marks here, will it reflect in that sheet as well? So let's say instead of 90 he got 80. As soon as we updated the detail here, and we can go here and see it is now 80. So if you have so this data are dynamic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more technical videos like this.